Hello friends, today I am showing the chicken breast new recipe, and this recipe very delicious and very tasty recipe. And if you try this recipe at your home, then always remember all of member. So please try at your home. So now let's start. Here I have taken this chicken breast, and now cutting properly, cutting edge properly and cleaning properly this chicken. See the friends, cutting has done. And now let's go the next step. Good masala. Now added sour curd, 1 teaspoon sour curd. Then after added chopped coriander leaves. Then after added 1 teaspoon green chili paste. Then after added 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, added mixed herbs 1 teaspoon. Then after added red chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Then after added 1 teaspoon Szechuan hot sauce, added 1 teaspoon amchur powder. Then after added 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, added 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Now added kasuri methi 1 teaspoon. Now added salt to taste, and now mix well properly. And mixed has done. And now added Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, and now mixed well properly. See the friends, this masala mixed has done. And now added the chicken, and now add this masala on the breast, chicken breast. See the friends, this masala has done and on the chicken breast and put well properly. And this mayonnaise chicken for timing is half an hour. This is the next step, and here added 2 tablespoons refined oil, and now refined oil is now hot, and now the mayonnaise chicken put into the hot oil in low flame. Now this chicken has done, and now this chicken remove from the oil. This chicken has done, and new type of chicken recipe always try at your home, and is the very special recipe and very tasty recipe. If you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.